Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. My name is Ellen. Black eyed peas is a staple and a must-have down here in the South for New Year's dinner, and it represents luck. So today's recipe, I'm going to share with y'all some Southern black eyed peas with bacon. Oh, anything with bacon is calling my name. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious and is loaded with flavor. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. It is next level good. And I'll post the complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. I've also done a Hoppin' John recipe. I'll post a link to that down in the description box below. So grab your pot, get your bacon frying, and your black eyed peas sugar, because we're about to cook some black eyed peas magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our onion. I have one yellow onion, or you can use white. We're going to dice it up. Okie dokie, the onion's nice and diced. Now we're going to set this aside. Let's work on our bacon. On another cutting board, I have a half a pound of good fatty pork bacon, or you can use turkey bacon. We're going to chop it up. Alrighty, the bacon is nice and chopped. Now let's work on our black eyed peas. Over here in my sink, I have my medium bowl. We're going to add a 1/16-ounce bag, which is a pound or 2 cups of dried black eyed peas. Going to turn my water on and we're going to rinse it. And you can soak your black eyed peas overnight or do a quick soaking for 8 hours. But I'm going to do mine like this and just cook them. And remove the pebbles. This is what they look like. That's no good. And as soon as I get through, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through rinsing my black eyed peas and I got rid of all the pebbles. We are ready to cook them. On my stove top, I have my large pot and my fire is on medium heat. We're going to add in our bacon. And if using turkey bacon, add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Give it a stir. And we're going to let the bacon fry for about 5 minutes. My friends, I'm in bacon heaven. Love the smell of bacon frying. Alright, into our bacon, we're going to add in our diced onion. Stir that in. And continue to cook until the onions are translucent for another 5 minutes. Alright, my friends, the onions are nice and translucent. Smells good. So now we're going to add in our black eyed peas. Next, we're going to add in some yummy seasonings. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion soup mix, 1 bay leaf, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper to give it a little kick. And last but not least, our chicken broth. Going to add in 1 quart, which is 4 cups, this whole carton. Give it a stir until it's well combined. The chicken broth is going to give our black eyed peas a whole lot of flavor. So now I'm going to cut my fire up to high and bring it to a boil. Alright, my friends, our black eyed peas has came to a boil and I'm going to give it a stir. So now I'm going to cover the pot, cut the fire down to medium low and let it cook until tender. Make sure you stir it occasionally and add more chicken broth if needed. Your kitchen is going to smell wonderful. See y'all in 30 minutes. Alright, my friends, ready for the grand finale? Here we go. Oh my, what a beautiful pot of black eyed peas. And it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. And look at all that bacon and that yummy gravy. Now there's 3 more things we got to add to it. Some kosher salt, white pepper, or you can use black, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of white sugar. Stir those in until well blended. And that's it, my friends. Our black eyed peas are ready to serve. I cut my fire off and I'm going to pour it into my bowl. All right, my friends, there you have it. Black-eyed peas with bacon, Southern style. Don't that look good? So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and give it a taste. All right, my friends, I got my plate right here, and I'm serving mine with some hot water cornbread. I made some on my last video. I'll post the link to that recipe down in the description box below. This make a great meal by itself, or you can serve this as a side dish. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Please have a bite. The peas are nice and tender. The bacon is perfectly cooked. And that gravy is super flavorful. This will definitely bring you good luck in the new year. These black-eyed peas are phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yummy. In fact, let me try some with my hot water cornbread. Yum-oh. That's some good eating next to greens and cornbread. Black-eyed peas, licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and Happy New Year.